Welcome back. You're watching Buy Now Sell Now on ET Now with me, Shell D'Souza. Along with me, I have Snehi Shah. And let's kickstart taking your stock related queries that you have actually been pouring in on our WhatsApp. We have Aditya Arora, who is now joining us on the technicals, while on the fundamentals, we have Rajesh Agarwal, who is with us. A very good morning to you, Aditya. And once again, good morning to you, Rajesh. And Aditya, let me wish you a very happy Dhanteras to you and your entire team.
Thank you so much. Happy Dhanteras to you as well and to all the viewers out there. And I must say that you're twinning with the color of the market, and me and Rajesh here are hoping for some green on the screen.
Absolutely, and I just hope that the recovery comes in much more sooner, because apart from y'all, I think everybody out there is also hoping that we continue to have a winning streak in the market for once at least, given the fact we had a good run yesterday. But since it's Dhanteras and the occasion of Dhanteras, let me ask you a query that's come in for a viewer who wants to understand how to play the gold theme for the next 6 months. What's your view? The viewer has actually shortlisted Manappuram Finance, Senco Gold, Titan, or for the matter of fact, Gold Bees ETF. The viewer is Neelam, who's writing to us from Jaipur. What's your take on this, Aditya? How should our viewer play this entire gold theme, or do you think the hard asset is the right one?
I think gold had a wonderful year last year, and this year also has been fantastic. So, if you try to draw parallel between stock market and bullion market, then after a stellar run, now equity markets are mean correcting. Similarly, same could be true for gold market also, or bullion market. They had a stellar run. Gold had a stellar run last year, this year as well. So it could mean revert. Hence, instead of going for stocks which could be highly sensitive, go for gold bees. That could be a good idea. And if you had to choose between gold bees and silver bees, then I would say that silver looks pretty attractive in terms of gold to silver ratio. Silver is very cheap compared to gold, so that has good risk to reward in the medium term. And lastly, I'll give a disclaimer that we have been bullish on gold and silver. We had suggested good trades on silver. So we also maintain bullish bias on bullion market.
So bullish bias coming in on the bullion market. Thanks, Aditya, for that view. Rajesh, I'm going to come to you with the next viewer query that we have. And Suguna is writing to us from Dubai. She's asking if she can average Hoodco. And if yes, then what will be a good price to average Hoodco? This is, of course, assuming that she's already holding, she has a pre-existing holding in Hoodco. She's asking, would this level right now would be a good level to average the existing holding that she has?
Good morning, Shail, Snehi, Aditya. I wish all of your viewers and you a happy Dhanteras. Hooda, yes, of course, it's a very strong company on fundamentals, if I would have to say. The portfolio of this company is also very good. They are lending to all the promoters and non-promoters too. So it's a good stock for a long-term horizon. But investing at this point of time, I think the valuations are somewhat stretched. Maybe a 10-15% correction from the current levels is quite possible. If somebody wants to invest new money at these levels, I think LIC Housing Finance is a better bet in the same peer group companies or a same sector, I would say. So that's better on a valuation parameters compared to Hoodco.
Right, let's take the next query then. This one is coming from Sridhar, who's writing to us from Coimbatore. And let me come to you once again, actually, Rajesh, because our viewer is holding 250 shares of JSW Energy at a price of 780 rupees per share. Should go ahead and exit or stay put with this for the medium to longer term. What's your take coming in on JSW Energy? This one has been in news for a while now. Every day you have something new coming in for JSW Energy. And this one also saw a good ride. Just like the way how the rest of the power companies actually had seen, saw a good patch of strong gains. No doubt it is consolidating now over the last 1 to 2 months.
See, strong company, good capacity, strong management. I think if one has a long-term view, one can continue to hold. It's consolidating just because of various reasons like market factors, FII selling, and not to forget the fact that it has run up quite a lot in the last 1 year or so. So if you're a long-term investor, continue to hold.
So long-term view coming in and continue to hold. Aditya, I'm going to come to you with our viewer's query. His name is Karthik and he's a senior citizen, and he's also asking, is it appropriate to buy Sun Pharma? And also, Rajesh would also like your view coming in over. But Aditya, first on the charts, tell us if Sun Pharma is a good buy.
I think Sun Pharma can do relatively better than other industrial stocks, which are highly sensitive and in line with the market trend. Now, as I believe that market is in corrective stage, most of the stocks may underperform the market. So I believe that until and unless you don't have a 3 to 5 year view, then if you have a 3 to 5 year view, then you can consider Sun Pharma. If you have 1 to 2 year view, then I think most similar kind of performance compared to bank FD. So that's the performance chart, which I think as per the chart pattern, we can draw out over here.
Back to you then, Aditya. This one is coming from Hemant, who's writing to us from Hyderabad, wants a review of Tata Motors as well as Tata Powers. He's saying these stocks look like they are declining from their support levels. He wants to know whether it's good time to accumulate, exit or re-enter at a better price. He has Tata Motors at the levels of around 612 rupees per share and Tata Power at the levels around 330 rupees per share.
I think both the stocks have been a fantastic performer in last many years, but Tata stocks usually have a very cyclical pattern. They in 2015 Tata Motors was 600, then it went to 60, and then it went to 1200. Now again it's in corrective state. So I believe there is some months and some months of underperformance out there in both Tata Power and Tata Motors, and they are making lower high, lower top pattern, which is bearish in nature. So I believe that let the dust settle down, then only try to accumulate. And if you have stock, then you can also consider booking the profit, because right now the markets are mean reverting on the downside. Hence, there's some months of underperformance in equity market and these stocks, as per me.
Okay, so book profit is the call, in fact, coming in for Tata Power, and wait till the dust settles on that one. On Tata Motors, pardon me, is what Aditya's call is. But on Hi there, welcome back. You're watching Buy Now, Sell Now on ET Now. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Let's keep it going with all your queries then, and once again reconnect with Aditya as well as Rajesh. And this query is coming in from Mr. Narayanan K from Chennai. Rajesh, I'm going to come to you with this query. He's saying, can he add Reliance at this time? Is it a good time to do so? And if not, what is the price level that you would recommend adding this stock to his portfolio?
See, I would say it's the best buy in the market at this point of time if you have a time horizon of 2 years. The numbers have been good, be it on retail side, be it on geo side. OTC was a slight underperformer because of geopolitical tensions and all those things. But retail has 18,946 stores at this point of time. Geo, where the ARPUs were staggering around 184 rupees from the last 2-3 quarters, have jumped to 195 odd rupees in this quarter. With the rollout of 5G, for tariffs being high, I think better ARPUs can be expected. Retail is doing very well. Despite the kind of capex the company has been doing, the balance sheet is strong. So everything goes into this company's favor. The valuations have corrected from 200, 300 a cum bonus to maybe 2,600 cum bonus. That's 1,300 X bonus. So that's a very compelling valuation. You just have to keep a time horizon of 12 to 18 months, buy this stock and sit tight. And we expect some amount of corporate action in this time period. That would be an added trigger to the stock. It's a good buy from our side.
All right, goodbye. That's Reliance Industries. A very quick take coming in from you, Aditya. What's your take on Reliance? Do you think now is the right time to buy on the charts?
I think the market is in corrective stage right now, and Reliance Industries also underperforming. The risk reward is good in Reliance Industry compared to the broader market, but the right level to accumulate would be around 1150 to 1200, wherein the stock has very strong support. So that is the level where I believe the risk reward is very, very favorable.
Okay, thanks for that quick take coming in, Aditya. But on that note, viewers, that's the end of all the queries that we could accommodate in today's edition of Buy Now, Sell Now. Thank you so much for tuning in, and also thank you, Aditya, as well as Rajesh, for joining us. But as
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.